Hi Dr. Strickland, this is Erin Edmonds with my third video reflection. As far as what I've learned about research, I've learned about the different types of quantitative research and the defining characteristics of each. And I really liked the activity in the PowerPoint where we had to come up with examples from our own context. It was a little difficult for me at first, but I think I have some accurate examples, I hope anyway. But it really helped to explain what each design looks like. What challenges have I had? Just trying to bring all of the articles together to begin working on the body of my literature review has been a little bit difficult. I've started sorting them into categories, and I kind of have a lot for one category and then not so much for other categories. So I'm not really sure if I'm doing it correctly and how to exactly go about writing the body of the literature review. So that's a little bit frustrating at this point and not really sure what I'm doing. What successes have I had? I think the peer editing went pretty well. I have never used word track changes before, so I wasn't really sure how that would go, but it really wasn't that hard. And so it went well. And I also think that it was helpful to read someone else's paper and to also get feedback from another person, because I got to read what that person wrote and also get feedback to kind of adjust and refine my own intro and method. So I have done that, and I think I've made it better just because of those helpful hints there. What have I learned about myself as a researcher? As I've been reading more and more research articles, I realize that I definitely have a bias when it comes to these studies. I have my own perceptions and beliefs about things, and as I'm reading through them, sometimes they really mesh with my own beliefs, and I can really get on board, and other times they really clash with my beliefs and perceptions. So it's difficult for me to read those articles, I think, because I'm thinking one way and this article is going in a different way. So that's been kind of an interesting thing to deal with, because I realize that I have to read them with a non-biased mind and take the studies as they are and not try to put my own influence onto them. So my next steps, well, I guess just continuing to look at my articles and organize them and really, figuring out what those main themes are and trying to start working on the body of my literature review and just working through that and trying to get as much of that done as I can.